Hello, I'm Stephen Fox. I'm a bankruptcy attorney. I do Chapter 11 reorganizations throughout the United States, and I've been doing this for over 30 years. My office is in Los Angeles, but I travel throughout the country to do Chapter 11 reorganization. Today, I would like to briefly talk with you just about a couple of items that deal with the first phone call. The first phone call to me. There's some things I'm going to want to know when you call. The first is, what are the problems that led to the company's failure? I don't want to hear about cash flow problems now. I want to know what the mistakes were that led to the failure, And then, once you've told me what you think are those beginning problems, I'm going to be asking you to tell me what the results are. Where's the company now? The third thing is, what are the solutions? It's easy to tell me the company's in bad shape. It's harder to tell me what you think are the solutions, the real ones, the imaginary ones, the partial solutions, but I want to plumb your brain because you know your business and I want to know what the solutions are. I'm then going to want to know about the condition of your financial reporting. Maybe you have no financial reporting. Maybe you've got great financial reporting, or maybe you're somewhere in the middle, like most companies that are in trouble. And then we come to a sensitive topic. And I may not ask you directly about it, but I'm sure going to be looking at it. And it's management, it's leadership. Because so often, the real failure that leads to the company's demise or to a reorganization is the failure of leadership or mismanagement. And I'm going to be asking you, maybe not directly, but I'm going to be asking you, what are the leadership failures? And it's a tough question, and you have to be prepared to look inside of yourself. Finally, I'm going to be asking you about the solutions, and I mentioned it already, but I want to know the problems, the present situation, and I want to know the solutions. Okay, so we have this phone call. There's something else I'm going to be doing. And notice I'm not focused on you and your company, but on what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be trying to size you up. Are you someone who can go through the rigors, who can go through the stress of a Chapter 11? Are you flexible enough to do what's legal to save your company? Are you willing to make hard choices? Or are you spoiled? A lot of people are not willing to make the hard choices, and that's okay. But that means the Chapter 11 probably is not for you if everything has to be done your way and on your schedule, because that's not the way it works. We're going to need to document, to get documents. We're going to have a ton of information, and I'm going to be sizing you up to see if you're going to be part of the process. Let me say something in closing. I get calls from a lot of people. They're looking for easy solutions. That's not Chapter 11. Chapter 11 is the right solution for so many companies in trouble. Thank you. Feel free to call me. I'm happy to talk with you. Take care.